Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Here is the question for the day. Small businesses are facing financial issues. How to solve this? Does government provide any help? This question is asked by Mr. Dahar M. He runs a company called Materials Info Consultancy Private Limited, and his nature of business is providing materials, rubber, polymer, metal, and providing the testing services. He also provides training, technical, industrial process, behavioral management, consultancy, and failure analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, in response to the stress created due to COVID, the government of India had announced a rupees 20 lakh crore package for various sectors of the society. You must be aware that MSMEs got the lion's share out of this package. And one of the key components of this package was rupees 3 lakh crore, 100% emergency credit line guarantee scheme by the public sector banks as well as private sector banks for MSMEs. And the government of India guaranteed 100% of the funds provided under this scheme. As on 15th of July 2020, that is as of day before yesterday, the total sanctioned amount under this 100% emergency credit line guarantee scheme by public sector banks and private sector banks stands at rupees 1,23,345 crores, out of which 68,311 crores has already been disbursed. This process is on, ladies and gentlemen. And as you are aware, this fund is available to any company, any enterprise which had any loan outstanding as on 28th of February 2020. And the companies or the businesses were eligible for an automatic up to 20% short-term loan. It was not a working capital loan, but a short-term loan, so that you got more period to repay it back. And it was a 4-year loan with full moratorium on principal amount for the first year. In other words, in the first year, you had to only pay the interest amount. And from second year onwards, you start paying the EMIs. And for next 3 years, you complete that payment. Ladies and gentlemen, in addition to this particular scheme, there were other schemes which were also announced for MSMEs. Now, this pertains to the stress created by the COVID-19 situation. But I would also like to present my friend and chartered accountant, Mr. Chintan Shah, who has comprehensively answered this question of sources of finance for businesses, and especially the government help in terms of financing for businesses. He has delivered one full lecture on this subject, and it is available on YouTube on this link, ladies and gentlemen. I hope this helps. We understand that businesses are going through a lot of financial stress, not only in India, but worldwide. But there is a saying, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. Ladies and gentlemen, just keep going at it. This is a forum for answering questions raised by entrepreneurs and professionals every day. It's a free forum and it's a WhatsApp group which you can join. The link to the WhatsApp group is given at the end of this video, ladies and gentlemen. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.